Pakistan.
Oh, why not?
Do you want to go back home on vacations?
If you buy ticket now, I will go back now.
As you can see, guys. This is how traditional Pakistani chicken karahi is made by Chef Tahir, who has been working in the field for 30 years. Yes, Chef.
Yeah, it's almost ready. You see the color is reddish.
Yeah.
When it's like this, you can take off photo. After this, you put some oil here,
Yeah.
and after put the spices. 1 spoon, teaspoon,
1 teaspoon coriander,
half salt,
half salt. Yeah.
and half red chili.
Okay. Red chili also.
Also black pepper.
Okay.
And add these 2 spoons.
2 spoons of tomato sauce. It's cooking now.
1 spoon of garlic ginger.
Garlic ginger paste.
Yeah.
Okay.
A little bit
Green chilies.
blood chili.
Okay. To spice it up. Because we like spicy food.
And also some single cream.
Okay.
After you mix good, and then you put cover.
And let it cook
Yeah, after 10 minutes it will be ready. Okay.
10 minutes. Yeah.
You leave for 2 or 3 minutes. The oil will be come out.
Okay. On slow flame.
Yeah, slow flame.
Yes, chef.
Yes. Are you seeing the oil is totally come out,
Yeah.
and then you oil throw out here,
Okay. Because this
and
is extra.
ready. The curry is ready.
Okay.
Yes. Now it's ready to eat.
Finally ready. Chef is going to parcel my karahi. It's ready now. Some coriander on it.
Yeah.
Some
Red
chili.
chili. And also some ginger. Yeah. Now it's ready. Okay, brother.
All ready?
Thanks.
Thank you very much, chef.
Okay.